Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best fertilizer that we used to grow organic melons, to grow these specific melons that you see here, as well as what I do with the seeds and why I choose to feed them to the quails and the chickens. So we're having a beautiful summer afternoon here in Australia, and if you want sweet, juicy melons, I'm talking about cantaloupes, honeydews, watermelons, the secret here lies in your soil. After testing out a couple of natural methods, we have chosen to use organic fertilizer, and here is the one that gave me the results. So we're talking about compost and a balanced organic NPK fertilizer, specifically 5-10-10. So melons are heavy feeders. They always need nitrogen early on, but even more phosphorus and potassium later to support the flowering and the fruiting stage. So why should you give them a 5-10-10 organic fertilizer? Because it provides them three things. It provides them with a moderate nitrogen for healthy vines, it gives them high phosphorus for the blossoms, and it gives them high potassium for the big sweet fruit. Now I go ahead and apply the compost tea or the worm castings in the early growth, then side dress them with the 5-10-10 fertilizer during the flowering time. And my favorite natural booster is actually a handful of crushed eggshells and banana peel tea, which is great for potassium and calcium. Skipping this feeding routine, it's going to make you end up with small bland lemons or long vines with absolutely no fruit. So why do I choose to feed the melon seeds to the quails and the chickens, and what do I do with the leftover melon seeds? So part of the melon seeds I go ahead and I dry in order to repurpose them and make them into, like, put them in the soil, plant them again. I feed them also to my birds, especially the quails and the chickens, because they are high in healthy fats and proteins. Specifically the melon seeds, they contain a essential fatty acid and a plant-based protein. These support the feather health, the egg production, the energy levels. They're also a natural deworming blend as well, because the melon seeds, especially coming from either watermelon seeds or the cantaloupe, they are thought to help to clean the digestive tract and reduce parasite load. And they're also no waste homestead tip, because feeding the seeds back to the birds closes the loop. Nothing is wasted, and they love them. Absolutely, they adore them. So just make sure that the seeds are always fresh, that are not moldy, and chop them up a little bit for the tiny birds, like the quail, if it's needed, but usually they just take them like that. They nibble on them. And if you love gardening organically, every piece of the plant has a purpose. So grow your own melons the natural way with compost and a balanced organic feeding, and then you can go ahead and turn those extra seeds into a superfood snack for your birds, or even replant them as well, which is exactly what we did for part of these seeds. So let me know in the comment section below, have you ever tried feeding melon seeds to your chickens or to your quails or any other birds that you have? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care, have a great day, all the best.